Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the hayfield, baling hay, and I got my 24T John Deere baler, and I went through it in an earlier video, but I've already baled probably about 57 bales. We started a couple days ago, and the tire broke off. The wheel broke loose from that. I don't know what happened there. All the bolts came loose, so that slowed us down. Then we got a little bit of rain. We had to wait another day, and we had to re-rake this. But all those bales, it's only mistied one so far. Once we got it adjusted good, when we started out, we had our string was bad, so we had to go buy some new string. But anyway, it looks like it's going to be a pretty good amount of hay we're going to have. I can't wait to get it through so I can see how much I have per acre. I've got about 3 acres that we're doing, so really good is like 125. And of course I'm making these bales just a little bit small because my family will be out here hauling them, so we make them just a little bit smaller than normal. So you know, if I had 100 per acre, I would be really happy. So we'll find out. But when we get to baling, we'll show you some shots. But anyway, it's got the pickup over here, and this picks the hay up. This puts it in the baling chamber. Right here's the chamber, and there's a big ram that goes back and forth right here. Now I forgot to grease those things in there. I just thought about that. And it compacts the hay, and then when it gets to a certain point, right here's how you adjust your length. And when it gets to a certain point, this is a trip, and right here's your knotters. That string, it'll tie that string in a knot, and then we just push it out. It's right here's how you adjust your density of your bale. So they're not real heavy. Last year I had it really too heavy, and I mean, this thing's probably weighed 100 pounds a piece. These are probably about, I don't know, 50 pounds maybe. So and the quality of this hay is really good. It's the best hay we've ever had. Now it's probably, you know, $5 bale hay. It's not $10 bale, so hopefully I'm gonna get to that $10 bale eventually. So but we're really happy with it. This is the best hay I've ever baled on this property. So I'm gonna get to baling, and we'll get you some shots of that, and at the end we'll see how many we got. So I'll get to baling. All right, we got them all baled, and we had one little problem. We had a shear bolt broke. It actually broke the other day, and I didn't realize it. We baled a bunch of bales with it, and I got some thick stuff and jammed it up because it didn't have the momentum going. And we mistied 2 bales out of today, so 3 total. It's not too bad. We ended up with 152 bales, and I wanted to get 200. Well, I'm happy with 152. I'm tickled to death. I thought I might get 200, but you know, that's how it goes. Considering I ain't spent a dime on this hay. I ain't put no fertilizer, no herbicide, no, you know, nothing. Just from my chickens through here, and so it ain't cost me anything but a little diesel and a little time, a little twine. So I'm really happy with it. So we're gonna get this gathered up. I got the crew out here today that won't be on camera, but I wanted to, before I close out, I want to insert a little shot here of my elevator, and I'll get a little shot of that put in there.
Pregnant. All the goats come in here, just I like pregnant.
So that's an old JL case elevator, and it's really old. I don't know how old it is, but I've had it forever, and I didn't even know they made one. I just happened the other day when we was looking at it, seen this tag on it. So anyway, hope you liked the video. The old baler did good. I think this is a 61 model. I'm a 63 model, and for some reason I was thinking it was 2 years older than me. So, or it might be a 65 models. I can't remember exactly. I'll look it up, and if I can think of it, and I'll post it in the comments. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. Help us grow our channel. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. And we'll see you down here in the farm next video.